Welcome to Bad Boy Mowers HQ. Nestled in the heart of Batesville, Arkansas, Bad Boy is built on 80 acres of groundbreaking success. Here, you'll find 700,000 square feet of innovation, best-in-class efficiency, and the hardest working team in the business.
With us, we don't build a mower until you order it. And we normally can have it built and out the door, sometimes in 3 days sitting on your lot.
Bad Boy uses the most cutting-edge technology and machines, many of which there are only a few in the market.
I'm kind of a tech nut, and I believe in state-of-the-art equipment. It's efficient. Everything is built to the same spec. And we have a lot of smart people around here that work in those departments and make it happen.
This vision empowers Bad Boy to operate as the most efficient, low-cost, zero-turn mower manufacturer in the industry. The process begins at our rolled steel plant, where Bad Boy levels our own steel. With help from our best-in-class do-all and OMI rig, we move and cut our steel and other materials in record time. What takes other machines 30 minutes to cut, we can do in 9. Then it's time for our fab department to go to work. Bad Boy has the fastest tube cutter in the world.
The tube laser is cutting over 20,000 pounds of steel per day. It's the best in the market.
Bad Boy uses the best in bending. The Bendmaster 150 robotic arm, paired with the special edition 5130X True Bend, does the work of 2 brake presses.
120,000 pounds of steel daily. We bend and cut over 32 million pounds of steel per year. The benders are capable of applying 120 tons of pressure, and we have 7 of them.
At Bad Boy Mowers, we rely on the craftsmanship of experienced hand welders, 40 per shift to be exact. We match their precision with the unparalleled technology of our robotic welders. The newly installed FlexArc K600 enhanced our frame and deck production.
It takes 12 men to produce the same amount of frames and decks as it does the automated welder in 2 shifts, with 2 men per shift running it. The robotic welders are capable of producing 120 machines per day.
Bad Boy uses the most productive laser cutters on the market. Our fiber lasers have up to 3 times faster processing feed rates than other machines.
We can cut a deck in 3 minutes, whether it's 3/16 or 1/4 inch, and we can cut the frame out in 4 to 5 minutes.
Bad Boy's powder coat painting system is its own work of art, operating as the largest powder coat factory for any industry in the state of Arkansas by double. We can paint 10 feet per minute, coating up to 12,000 parts in 1 8-hour shift. Then comes the fun part, assembling every Bad Boy mower so that it leaves our factory ready to mow.
One of the things that we're the most proud of is that we deliver our mowers factory inspected, factory approved, and when the end customer gets on our mower, it came out of our shop.
Bad Boy uses a proprietary state-of-the-art software program to maximize efficiency, tracking and timing every part of the process. Before it's ready to ride, every Bad Boy mower then goes through a rigorous 112-point inspection.
Somebody has to sign their name to that mower, and then it goes out.
When the time comes to ship these Bad Boys out into the world, they drive in style on our own Bad Boy trucks.
We've designed our trucks so that we can literally drive the mowers onto the trucks, and our guys drive them off and put them on the dealer floor. So when that customer buys it from his dealership, there's not some 16-year-old kid in the back putting the wheels on it, putting the drive arms on it, putting the seat on it. It is ready. It's another great way for us to control our quality from start to finish, because that is a huge priority of ours.
Bad Boy delivers our mowers across America, tracking every order in real time, ensuring our dealers and our customers get their mowers on time.
And so really, that's our own software that we've developed ourselves, and it makes us more efficient.
So what does all of Bad Boy's innovative technology and unrivaled efficiency mean for customers?
It means a better price. Over the years, I think most of our customers will tell you they've got a better product every year for the same price.
But in the end, this is more than a manufacturing facility. Bad Boy Mowers is a family.
We're proud of the people that work here, our employees, and we're all family together.
Bad Boy, mow with an attitude.